Let's do another one. 1,234 times 22. Start with our multiplier, 22. So 1, 2, 1, 2. The corner of my graph will be right here. Let's do our multiplicand. I'm going to start with my unit again and work my way backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 1, 2, 3 tens. 1, 2 hundreds, and 1,000. Let's draw our axis just so that we can have a nice clear graph to work with. We'll start with our units times our units, so it's going to be 4 across and it's going to be 2 up, which means we're going to fill in this entire area here. Let's start coloring. Okay, let's keep going across. The next color is our tens family. We have tens here, so 1, 2, 3, and 2 up. So let's count. I bet some of you are already figuring out how many squares are going to be for 3 across and 2 up. There we go. And our next family of colors is red, 4 hundreds, so 2 and 2, 2 across and 1, 2 up. And finally, 1,000. So we go back to the units of thousands times 2, which is going to be, here we go. Now let's multiply the multipliers tens family. So we're going to start right away with the blue because that is representative of 10. We have 4 times 2, so we're going to go 2 up and 4 across. 2, 3, and 4. And a second time, 1, 2, 3, and we already did that fourth. Now we know that the next color after tens is 100, so tens and 100. 100 is red. So 3 across, 3, and 2 up, 1 and 2. 2 times 2, so 2 across, and 4 up. So we just did our thousands category. Now we're going into our tens of thousands, so blue. So 1 and 2. Okay, so now we count. I like coloring, but I actually like counting the squares and proving it correct. So here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares. Whoops, let's use a sharpened pencil. 8 squares. We know that 4 times 2 is 8. And this is, of course, units, which is 1 times 1 equals 8. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares times 10, because we are in the tens family, and let's prove it. 3 times 2 is 6. Excellent. So 1 times 6 is 6. There's 1 0. Let's add it to the end. That is 60. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times the value of our color, which is 100. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 100 is 4. And 2 zeros, 400. And then finally we have 1 times 2, which is 1, 2, times 1,000. So 2 times 1,000 equals, and I'm running out of space, but it is 2,000. So we're just going to write that there, 2,000. Here we go up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 2 is indeed 8 times 10, which is 80. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 2 is 6 times 100 equals 600. 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 1,000 equals, 1 times 4 is 4, with 3 zeros is 4,000. And then 2 times 1, 1, 2, 2 times, now this is 10,000. Oh, that's huge, which equals 20,000. So let's add them all up again. 20,000, 4,000, 600, 80, 2,000, 400, 60, and 8. So in this column we have 8. 8 and 6 is 14. Carry up the 1. 6 and 4 plus 1 is 11. And then we have 4 and 2 and 1, which is 7. And then 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 27,148. Let's see if we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 22 equals 27,148. Yay, got it right.